The weekly code quiz. How do we make video accessible? Adding captions makes video available to those who are hard of hearing or deaf. The addition of a transcript can help those for whom the language of a video is not their primary language. A transcript may also help those who need more time or another method to fully understand the content of the video. What element can we add to make our videos more accessible? The track element. The track element is an empty element. What does the track element do? The track element is added to media to specify timed text tracks. What are the different types of text tracks? Subtitles, captions, descriptions, chapters, and metadata. What file do we combine with a track element? A web VTT file. What is a web VTT file? A web VTT file format is a way of writing text files that contains the strings of text called cues along with the metadata, such as the time the text should be displayed. Where do we put the track element? The track element is added after all the source elements within an audio or video element. What are the attributes associated with a track element? The kind attribute is used to identify what kind of text track it is. Example, subtitle, caption, etc. The source lang attribute identifies the language of the text track, while the label attribute tells the user the language. Let's look at an example using a track element in our code. Here we see that the track element is inserted after the two source elements within the video element. And after the track element, we insert our paragraph text that tells the user if neither source is supported, that the browser doesn't support HTML5 video, and provides a link for the user to click to access the video instead. We can see that we use several attributes with our track element. We use the kind attribute to specify that this track is a subtitle, and we tell the browser where to find the web VTT file in the source attribute. So we see that web VTT files have a file format of .vtt. The language of our text track is actually German by the label, but the browser understands German with the value of DE for Deutsch. What else will adding the text tracks to your media help? Adding text tracks to your media will improve SEO, or search engine optimization. Presented by Designers Learn Code.